Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in cybersecurity with Checkmarx, full guide step by step clearly. Investing in cybersecurity is essential in today's digital landscape. Checkmarx offers robust solutions for application security. Begin by understanding what Checkmarx provides. Visit the official Checkmarx website to explore their products. Familiarize yourself with their offerings like static application security testing, dynamic application security testing, and software composition analysis. Create an account on their website to access detailed product information and resources. Next, assess your organization's specific cybersecurity needs. Identify the types of applications you want to secure. Evaluate the compliance requirements relevant to your industry. Then, explore Checkmarx's pricing plans tailored to different business sizes. Contact their sales team if you have questions regarding pricing or features. Once you've decided on a plan, initiate the purchasing process. Fill out the necessary information to finalize your subscription. After purchasing, you'll receive access credentials to the Checkmarx platform. Log in to get started with the setup process. Customize the settings based on your security requirements. Integrate Checkmarx with your existing development tools and workflows. Run initial scans on your applications to identify vulnerabilities. Analyze the results provided by Checkmarx to understand security issues. Prioritize the vulnerabilities based on severity and impact. Develop a plan to address these vulnerabilities effectively. Regularly schedule scans to ensure ongoing application security. Keep up to date with Checkmarx's latest features and updates. Attend webinars and training offered by Checkmarx to enhance your understanding. Utilize their support resources for any technical assistance required. Successfully investing in cybersecurity with Checkmarx will bolster your organization's security posture. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.